Am I the only one who didn't know you can do keyword research without spending a rupee? Let's uncover the secrets together. So, what is keyword research? It's finding the words people use to search for stuff on search engines, and using those insights to do search engine optimization and content marketing. Best part is, most tools are free, and even paid tools provide daily free quotas. Here's how. Google search bar. Enter your seed keyword in Google. It will throw suggestions as drop-down. Make a note of the relevant ones. Next, try the alphabet soup method. Type your keyword, then a letter, starting with A, B, C, and so on. Note all relevant keywords Google suggests. When doing a search on Google search bar, Google also provides a section called People Also Ask. Those are gold mines for content ideas. Continuing with the above, you can scroll down to the Related Keywords section. With this, you get a handful of keywords to start your work. Head on to Google Ads by clicking ads.google.com on the browser. On signing in by entering basic details, you will reach this screen view. Select Tools and then Planning, under which you will find the Keyword Planner. You will find two options here. First, discover new keywords, where you can enter a keyword to start off or enter a related website to get relevant keywords. Under Keyword, you also can enter a website address related to the relevant category of business to narrow down your searches. The website is optional, and you may want to decide whether you want to use it. Second option is Get Search Volume and Forecasts, where you can enter a list of keywords in bulk and get the details of each keyword in terms of search volume and its likely cost of bidding. You could use the list of keywords that you had earlier listed from using the Google search bar as an input in this option and get a detailed report of each keyword to decide which one to add to your campaign and which ones to ignore. Apart from this free tool, there are paid tools like CMrush, Ubersuggest, Answer the Public, Ahrefs, which are excellent tools for keyword research. All of them provide limited free usage on a daily basis, and you could sign up for those tools to use it for your requirements. Once you get into a professional work, you could later opt for a paid tools. Basis the results of keyword research, you can generate content using those keywords and make your platform more relevant to searches, thereby improving your organic rankings and also by reducing cost of bidding in PPC campaigns. Before we wrap up, let us do a recap. We looked at what keyword research is, what tools are available freely and after payment, how to use both these options for free initially, and how this can guide it in your content strategy. Now that you know the basics, get started and happy keyword hunting!